welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your Xiaomi 12 USB charging port using household items. So remember the one rule, never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is dirt in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So to get it out, you first have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert the one part of the brush into the connector and gently try to remove the dirt out. Pry the dirt out. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.